विश्वास है, भरोसा है, साथ हम निभाएंगे, हर कदम पे मिलके हम बढ़ते जाएंगे। We believe in serving honestly. We believe in serving tirelessly. खुश है हम, सच है हम, our profession's proud of us. खुश है हम, सच है हम, you can rely on us. Gurujana.
Welcome you all for a unique town hall, a virtual town hall. Guru and Jana were always known for creating something new and something original and something for the first.
Our motto is earn, we will, and we should, but with joy, dignity, and trust. I have the conviction and courage to write to you, whom I look up to. There is not one rupee in my life which is wrongly earned.
Congratulations on all the amazing things you've achieved with 2020 being one of the top 20 firms in the country in the year 2020. You inspire us and we're really excited to be able to share some of our music with you here today.
All the great speakers who are talking today have stressed enough number of times on how beautiful a place Guru and Jana is. It is all thanks to each and every one of you. So let's fly, let's kiss, let's love this world. Let's welcome the new technologies, the new vision, everything in Guru Jana that we are setting out to achieve. I now welcome Rekha, who is going to talk to us on what is it that we will be doing in Zoho for Zoho Recruit and Zoho people.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Day Town Hall 2020. So I'll be taking you through Zoho Recruit and Zoho People. We'll be having payroll in Zoho People, employee self-service, attendance, your leave happens here, training will be monitored, the reporting happens here, statistics, security, goal management, recruitment and organization structure.
Happy morning all and welcome all to the day 2 of Town Hall.
Hi everybody. I'm sure everybody is looking forward for the exciting today, a day to mark. I would look at it like this. Yesterday was a day of celebration to tell we reached the 2020.
I've received 4 emails from other chartered accountancy firms about Guru Jana today. 4 other people. saying that now they are setting a goal by 2030, they will be in the top 30. And I think to know that you have been an inspiration for others to aspire. And this is the most incredible thing about being a human being, that I can change the way I think and that will change my life. Everybody had their own unique style. The worst thing that can happen to Guru Jana is everybody trying to copy the style of Guru Prasad Makam. That's the worst thing that can happen. The best thing that can happen to Guru Jana is that it has hundreds of unique original styles of working. That's the best thing. Culturally integrated, in our value system we are integrated, but we are not trying to ape anybody else. You can't be anybody else. Because I remember last time when I had come for a college inauguration in Bengaluru, and as the car was going by, Mohini, Arun, two people you may know, you may not know, me and Gopal, we were there in the car, and it was going through, one of them said, "This is Guru Jana's office." And even without thinking, I casually told them, it's my desire that I want to practice Infinimate there one of these days. But I think I'll make it a surprise. I'll certainly land up in that building one day. And then things have changed. The world has changed. And today it's happening. Okay. In a different form. I'm not physically there, but in a different form. So it's fascinating to know that the nth thought in a human being can be a breakthrough. The nth thought in a human being can be innovation. The nth thought in a human being can be 100 crore business model to you. You're not here to be another professional. You're here to be an inspirational role model for everybody else. Make your parents proud. Make your profession proud. And make your God proud in the way you live your life. Let's practice Infinimate. And today's Infinimate is exclusively for Guru Jana.
Hearty congratulations to the entire Guru Jana team.
Wish everyone at Guru and Jana a wonderful all hands meet day.
I'm very glad to be here with you, even if virtually, in line with this new reality we unfortunately are still living.
At the outset, let me congratulate the Guru and Jana team for the 2020. I'm so delighted, so proud, so happy that you are this absolutely reputed, credible.
We are in the midst of some testing times, and this gives us a chance to have a reality check of what we are and where we are heading. Humanity as a whole has been pushed into a corner, and it needs strong leadership to show us the way out of this trouble.
I know many of you are full of the emotions as you have this holy Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible in your hand. Isn't it a wonderful and beautiful gift given in such a beautiful way?
Size no more than 30 people. I don't think any of the specialized only in company law teams, that company secretaries also got such large teams. It was wonderful to see that team growing. If you look at the right side corner where the first Hanumantanagar office, that was the article, Gopal and Jana who has been there, first office. And this is the Jaipur office. This is where branches started popping up. Jaipur, next office. And this is, of course, all of you know that Vande and Mataram, where we clubbed it, and wonderful to cherish.
See on this picture the enthusiasm and intensity of 400 people. We are not any other CA firm. We are a CA firm with a difference. We have faith in how far we have come, and we have faith in how far we can go. For our unparalleled journey, we are here. We are Guru and Jana.
Hi everybody. The end of the town hall. It is almost come to an end. Always had visualized that Mahatria would address us. And as I always told, visualization for others is exaggeration. For Guru and Jana is reality. We are Guru and Jana. we are. Thank you all. Have a wonderful life.